What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I'm here with yet another unboxing. Today, this package shipped from Islandia, New York, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out my other ones. This actually has a pull tab. Let's see if that works. My fingers are tore up from the floor up because of what I do for a living. Working in a very cold environment, and I have corrugated boxes. As always, though, I want to say thanks for watching my videos. If you want to support my channel, cash at me at London Hawthorne. Go to riptapparel.com or rippedapparel.com. Find your shirts of choice. Save about $3 off every single shirt. Use my username, London Hawthorne. This is a Christmas gift for my mom, and it couldn't have come at a perfect time because Christmas is tomorrow. This is her favorite perfume, and I got a 3-pack. Make sure. Gotta hide that so she doesn't see it. But I bought this 3-pack of Jovan Musk for women. But you know what? Anybody could wear this. Be non-binary, be yourself. This is Jovan Musk, a 3-pack. Her favorite perfume since I was a little boy. I've tried giving her different stuff, but this is her signature scent. What's your favorite perfume? What's your favorite cologne? It doesn't matter if you're a guy or a girl or non-binary, whatever. What is your signature scent? I know a very strong muscular wrestler, Ryback. He uses Secret deodorant, which is for women, but who cares? Be yourself. It smells good. One of my favorite colors is hot pink, if not my favorite. So there you go. Leave a comment below. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out my other thousands of videos. And if you want to send me some cologne or some Jovan Musk from my mom, let me know. Holler at your boy. I wish you the best. Have a great day.